What's up guys, Manny from Motomillion. It's time to make this RSV4 sing some Italian tunes. It's gonna sing some Italian tunes, and if you didn't realize, this is just a slip-on this motorcycle. We have the SC Project SC1-R full titanium exhaust system inside of this box. It's actually pretty compact, but today, Michael Knight is here. You're gonna see him in a second, and he's gonna give me a hand to install this exhaust. We have a couple of the carbon pieces to also put along the way, but the main thing is to put this full exhaust on so that this thing can really sing the Italian tunes. Italian bike, Italian exhaust, let's go. Okay, so the stock exhaust is off, and we know from that speed white RSV4 that we built for 650E, the stock exhaust weighs 21.4 pounds. This baby over here weighs 9.9 pounds, which is the SC Project full titanium SC1-R exhaust with the short muffler. Now we're gonna get it on the bike. Luckily, Michael's hiding behind the bike, but he did help a lot to get everything off, and I know that he's gonna help me put everything on because he wants to hear this thing. So do you, and so do I. Well, the exhaust is on, and Michael's no longer behind the bike because he had to catch a flight. He's on his way to London, but now I'm left with a beautiful RSV4 that's still pretty naked. As I said, the exhaust is fully on, and if you're installing exhaust, here's a pro tip. Do not tighten any of your header flanges until you have everything together and you mount everything in place, and then tighten the header flanges, because the way the exhaust headers sit, you could turn them around, they rotate, and you're going to have a very hard time for everything to line up if you tighten your header flanges in the beginning and then try to piece it together. So we did that, everything is tight. Next, we got to put some frame covers and swing arm covers. So I'm going to take this part of the exhaust off and the rear sets off so that I could fit the swing arm covers and the frame covers, and then we're going to let it dry. Me and her mom behind the camera, we're going to go have lunch, and then when we come back, we should be able to put everything back together and do the first start on this beautiful SC Project full titanium SC1-R exhaust. And take a look at this thing. This is much shorter than the stock one. In fact, just give me a second. The stock one's right here. Well, this is, let's not call this stock. This is what was on the bike before. And take a look at this thing. Even this looked pretty good. This is a slip-on, and this one is a 250mm one. It still has the DB killer inside. We're not going to keep it in there. That's going to come off even for its first start. But before we think of starting the bike, let's get the frame covers and swing arm covers on, and then we'll check back in once we're putting everything else back on. Like that, the frame covers are on, swing arm covers are on. We did go for lunch and come back at a very late lunch because it's almost 6 p.m. right now. And I also took off the engine covers, and thanks to some of our viewers, we were talking about the engine covers on our Tono build when we had just purchased our Tono V4. You guys did let us know that these are just sound deadening pieces to meet the emissions requirements, because emissions is not just about exhaust, it's also about some noise regulations. And you can tell that this has a lot of foam padding, looks much better without it. Now I gotta put everything back together, and then we'll see what this RSV4 looks like. Both frame covers and swing arm covers are on. We did go for lunch and we just got back. It was a very late lunch because it's almost 6 p.m. guys. And I don't know if anyone can tell us that this is not looking good. I think it's looking superb. I love the whole carboned outlook. Don't worry, it's not too much because all the body panels are still gonna go on. And I think the chrome or the shiny frame makes the bike look a little dated, and maybe that's the reason why Aprilia actually released the new 2025 model years with black frames and black swing arms. But I don't know. Let us know, do you guys like this, how it looks? But don't be so judgmental because we still have to put the fairings on. Maybe wait till the end to see how it looks and how it sounds. Well, here it is, we made it. It's pretty late, but we did it. Tomorrow, 650 Eve will come to pick up his bike. I can't wait to see his reaction because take a look at this thing. I think it looks so good. It's crazy how much of a difference the frame covers and the swing arm cover made to this bike. I think it ties the whole thing together. The contrast between the painted black panels and the carbon, I love it. Also, you can be sure that this exhaust system is going to sound really nice. And don't worry, we're still going to start it even though it's late. We're going to wait till the next morning, but it'll be YouTube magic. At the end of this video, you guys are going to hear this because I really want to hear it as well. But other than that, one thing that we did that really made a difference is the engine covers that we took off, the plastic ones, which are the sound deadening on these bikes. I don't know what to say because I just think the bike looks really good. I wasn't too sure when we removed the gold wheels and put the BST StarTech wheels on it because the bike got very dark at the time, but now the carbon ties it together. And if you guys realize there is a gold wheel tape that's on it, which Nicholas from Auto Laboratory came and applied this morning to it, I think it adds that little detail that it was missing. But my God, you know, I would be very happy if this was my bike because I'm proud of what it looks like. It doesn't look over the top, but it is a very special bike that now is even more special with everything that's on it, especially those high pure calipers. But that's it for this episode, guys. I want to hear what you guys say. And if you guys haven't subscribed to our channel, it'd mean a lot if you made it all the way this far. And if you haven't subscribed, just to subscribe to our channel. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Until next time, guys, have a good one.